Hi everyone, this is Dr. Anshul Goyal. You must be thinking doctors learn a lot of things and remember a lot. You might be having troubles learning and remembering those things. So, today I am gonna tell you how I remembered a lot of stuff which was too difficult to learn and which was very abstract. So I was introduced to mnemonics by Dr. Vishwarup Roy Chaudhary and the book by Nirja Roy Chaudhary. I am gonna share the ideas with you today. For faster memory, we need to convert the abstract information into relatable things, and short term memory need to be converted to long term memory, and it is done by association, emotion, and repetition, visualization. So mnemonics helps by increasing focus, attention, meaning is given, and organized information is given creative way, which increase the confidence and fun. So methods are like minor peg system, number rhyme. 1 rhyme with sun or run, 2 rhyme with shoe, 3 rhyme with tree, 4 rhyme with door, 5 with wife or knife, 6 with wicks or sick, 7 with heaven. So 8 rhyme with plate, 9 with wine, 10 with hen or den. Number shape method. It is 0 is equal to S, 1 is T or D, 2 is with N, 3 is with M, 4 is with R for R, and 5 is L between thumb and the index finger. There is L shape. 6 is SH, J or X. 7 is K or C, 8 is V or F, 9 is P or B. And if you want to remember 7289064068, so we can remember can VIP 6 a shush plate. 11 gives shape, resemble shape of stick, 2 with duck, 3 with heart, 4 with chair, 5 with hook, 6 with hockey stick, 7 with lamppost, and 8 with spectacle, 9 with lollipop, 10 with bat and ball. So we can give convert the number into relatable things like 1 with tie, 2 with eno, 3 with ma, 4 with ray, 5 with hole, 6 with jaw, 7 with key, 8 with v, 9 with v, 10 with toes. Now come to the value system. It is 1 queen, 2 is couple, 3 is 3 monkeys of Gandhiji, 4 is 4-wheeler, 5 is Pandavas, 6 is sixer, 7 is color of rainbow, 8 is octopus, 9 is planet, 10 is 10 head of Ravan, 11 is football team, 12 is dozen bananas, 13 is horrible event, 14 is 14 year of Ram's exile, 15 is 15 August, Indian Independence Day, 16 is 16, Sweet 16, 17 is 7 up teen, 18 is Water's Age, 19 is 19th century, 20 is 20 lakh dollar, 20 lakh lottery ticket. This method, B1, vitamin B1 is thiamine, 1 for sun and thiamine for thumb. Sun is pressed with thumb, so we remember vitamin B1 is pressed with thumb, so 1 is pressed with thumb is thiamine. So B2, 2 is shoe, and it B2 is riboflavin, ribs. Though shoe is thrown on the ribs and pain leads to chills, means deficiency leads to chiliosis. Vitamin B3, 3 for tree, and is niacin, so trees are nice, so we remember B3 is nice. B5 is 5 is pantothenate, 5 is wife is everywhere, so pantothenate is available everywhere, and penta is 5, so wife is penta. So we B6 is Vicks, and it is pyridoxine. So in Hindi we call pyri matlab pari, angels. So Vicks is applied by angels is pyridoxine, or Vicks mixed with py is pyridoxine. B7, 7 is biotin, so 7 is heaven, bio is heaven. B9, folate. Folate means flour, 9 means wine, so flour in the wine. Somewhere it is given B10 is folate, so you can remember folate as B9 or B10. Now we come to B12. 12 is cyanocobalamin and 12 is hen, so hen sign with cobalt is cyanocobalamin. And B8 or B11 can be remembered by making your own mnemonics, so please make your own mnemonics. B8 is inositol and B11 is baba.